Hey adventurers, thanks for joining us on another epic nature adventure. The summer is here and today we're counting down the top 10 summer vacation spots in Jamaica. From stunning waterfalls and rivers to relaxing mineral springs and even secret rivers with history and healing powers. Whether you're looking for friends and family fun, a romantic escape, or a solo adventure deep into nature, this list has something for everyone. Jamaica is home to some of the most beautiful travel locations, not just in the Caribbean but in the world. So without further ado, let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 10 is the majestic Fishton Falls, located in Silver Hill, Portland. This spot has not one but two waterfalls. And for just 500 Jamaican dollars, it's an absolute steal. Whether you're cooling off at the main waterfall, basking in its glory, or hiking up to the second waterfall, it's a nature lover's dream. The name Fishton Falls comes directly from the fish you can actually see within the water. With food on site and fishing allowed, this is the perfect blend of fun, relaxation, and nature. Coming in at number 9 is Penfield, located in Gordontown, St Andrew. This free waterfall is a beautiful escape at over 15 feet tall. But it doesn't just stop here. You can also explore nearby spots like Hope River, Snake Hole, and Longfront in the hills. Whether you're going solo or with a group, there's plenty of space to sit, relax, and soak up the natural beauty of Penfield in Gordontown, St Andrew. Number 8 is the iconic Reggae Falls, nestled deep in the mountain forest of the Jonker Mountain Range. Standing at 33 feet tall, this eco-attraction is surrounded by lush greenery and crystal clear pools, with mysterious caves, rabbit holes, and the hidden Mandingo Falls nearby. Reggae Falls is truly a magical escape from the heat, making it an excellent vacation spot. At number 7, we have Reggae Falls in St Thomas. This powerful 70-foot man-made waterfall is one of the most popular getaways in St Thomas. Known for its long, wide drop and cool cascading waters that create a dramatic roaring display. Once part of a hydroelectric plant, it's now a favorite for families, photographers, and adventure seekers alike. With plenty of space for large groups, Reggae Falls is excellent for a one-day chill-out or a full-blown excursion. And the best part, entry is just 500 Jamaican dollars, making it an affordable hidden gem with a view that packs a punch. Back to Portland for number 6, we have the breathtaking Turtle Bay Cove. This secluded water getaway is a perfect combo of adventure and serenity. With crystal clear waters, vibrant marine life, and peaceful surroundings, it's a paradise for swimmers, nature lovers, and anyone needing an escape from the hustle. The picturesque views are not just only within the waters, but also around the area, making a nice, peaceful setting for anyone to sit and enjoy. Before we jump into the top 5, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe so you never miss out on the next nature adventure in Jamaica. Rounding out our top 5 is Stream Palms, written with a Z at the end, located in Clarendon Park, Clarendon. Named for the long stream and palm trees surrounding this area, this spot is a clean, scenic escape connected to the famous Milk River. With a bar, a jerk center, a football field, and wide open spaces, it's great for a family outing or places to chill with friends at various spots in the river. Entry is just 500 Jamaican dollars for adults and 200 for kids, and there's even some history nearby for you to discover. Number 4 is the Mafed Nature River in Ocheria, St. Mary. One of the most tranquil and peaceful rivers around. Connected to the longer White River, Mafed offers wide open waters for swinging, swimming, or just cooling off under the trees. The unusual name comes from an old caretaker who once frequented the river many years ago. If you ever decide to visit this stunning river, be on the lookout for this hidden waterfall further down the stream. It's a must-see adventure right here in Ocheria, St. Mary. Sliding into number 3 is the Seapon Waterfall, tucked away in Sugarloaf Garden Town, St Andrew. After a 30-minute scenic hike, enjoying the view, you're greeted with a stunning double-drop waterfall, complete with 2 natural pools, perfect for both swimmers and non-swimmers alike. You can even sit under the cascading waters to feel the full effect of the waterfall on your skin. While this waterfall is free, we highly recommend a guided tour from the Sugarloaf and Historical Hike team. Check the description below for more information. Just narrowly missing out on the top spot is the legendary Salt River Mineral Bath in Clarendon. This free attraction is rich in minerals set to relax your muscles and maybe even cure your bad luck. With its naturally shifting temperatures and beautiful mangrove trees, it's a serene experience. Throw in seafood restaurants, great music, and community vibe, you'll get an excellent summer vacation spot. Before we get to our number 1 pick, here are a few honorable mentions that didn't quite make the list but are still totally worth visiting. Unruly River, St. Thomas. Made famous by recording artists Popcorn and most recently Spice, this spot is growing in popularity. Falling Edge Waterfall, Kingston. Just 15 minutes from Money Center in Kingston, this one's a city escape dream. Joy Falls. Also known by its controversial nickname, Battyhole Falls, due to its deep basin, but still a treat for family and friends. Pretty close in Gordon Town, St Andrew. Now this one is closer than you think. A riverside kitchen and dining experience. And now, coming in at number 1, Blue Hole in Ocheria, crossing both St Anne and St Mary. Famous for its vibrant turquoise waters, towering waterfalls, jungle surroundings, and cliff jumping opportunities, this spot is everything you want in a nature adventure. Plenty of souvenirs like art sculptures and shirts can be found around this area. Whether you're diving in, floating, or hiking the forest trails, Blue Hole offers something unforgettable. With multiple rivers and waterfalls for just 500 Jamaican dollars, Blue Hole is the ultimate vacation spot this summer. And there you have it, my top 10 summer vacation spots in Jamaica. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below and tell me which spot you think should have made the list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow adventurers. And remember, we've got tons more rivers, beaches, and hidden gems right here on the channel. Until then, see you on the next adventure.